Sharpen images with the Sharpen tool. The Sharpen tool is located here in Photoshop. Let's sharpen this blurry coin. So here's the before and here's the after. We will explore the strength option now, but before that I'll go to the brush settings and show you the spacing. First we'll explore the strength option at 5% spacing. First I'm going to use a lower strength of 40% and then sharpen this image. Let's now increase the strength to 100%. And you can see that the sharpening is more powerful this time. This time I'm going to increase spacing a bit and then use strength. First I'll have the strength at 40% like before, and then I'll go and sharpen the image. So if I make a side-by-side comparison, this was with 5% spacing and this with 15% spacing. So you can see that increasing spacing reduces strength. The spacing is still 15% and I'm going to use the strength of 100% this time. And here's a side-by-side comparison of 5% spacing and 15% spacing. The more the spacing, the less the strength. Next we have the mode option. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, to demonstrate the modes more explicitly and clearly, I'll be using different strengths and spacing. The first mode is normal mode. It sharpens an image by altering hue, saturation, and lightness. The next mode we are going to look at is luminosity. It sharpens an image by altering only the lightness value. Next is the darken mode. It sharpens an image by darkening the darker portions of the image. Next is the lighten mode. It sharpens an image by lightening the lighter portions of an image. Next we are going to look at hue. It sharpens an image by altering only the hue values. Next we are going to use the color mode. It sharpens an image by altering both the hue and saturation, and most likely the saturation will increase. Last we have the saturation blend mode. It sharpens an image by increasing the saturation of the lighter regions of an image. Last we have the protect detail option. First I'm going to sharpen this image by having this option turned on. Now I'll turn this option off and try to sharpen this image. You can see that this time the sharpening is becoming pixelated, right? So this was the original image, this with protect detail on, and this with protect detail off.